Hey everyone, if your Instagram memories is missing, so here's the fix. I'm going to show you how to fix that. The first thing you need to check is whether your Instagram app is fully updated. So to check that, close Instagram and go to App Store. Click the search bar and search for Instagram. Scroll down and tap on Instagram, and if you see an update button right there, just tap on that to update Instagram app. So if you're using Android, you need to go to your Play Store and search for Instagram and update the app in there. The second fix is to make sure your story archive is turned on. So go back to Instagram and click on your profile picture. Click on the three lines at the top right. Go to archive. Now click the three lines, go to settings. And in here, make sure save story to archive is enabled. If this setting is off, turn it on right away because Instagram cannot generate memories from stories that were never saved. So, another common reason is that Instagram sometimes glitches because of stored cache files. So, if you're using Android, go to your phone settings, go to apps, then go look for Instagram, then go to storage and tap on clear cache. If you're using iPhone, the easiest option is to offload or reinstall the Instagram app. So, go to your settings, go to apps, search for Instagram. Now, if you can't find the offload option, what you can do is to close this first. Look for the Instagram app and press and hold it. And we need to remove the app. So tap on remove app and tap on delete app, then confirm the action. Once deleted, go back to App Store and reinstall it again. Now sign back in and see if that works or that fixes your issue. You should also check your internet connection because weak Wi Fi or unstable mobile data can prevent memories from loading correctly. So click on settings and go to Wi Fi. So try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app. You can also force close Instagram completely before launching it again. So swipe it up and look for Instagram and close it and reopen it again and see if that works. So, if the feature is still missing, there may be a temporary bug on their side. In this case, the best thing to do is wait a little and continue checking after updates because Instagram often restores missing features automatically. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.